friends, my name is Miss Robin. I am a children's librarian at Mentor Public Library, and today I would like to read you a story about spring. Our book today is called When Spring Comes by Kevin Henkes, and I've been given permission by HarperCollins Children's Books to read our story today. When spring comes. Before spring comes, the trees look like black sticks against the sky, don't they? And what do we see there? 2 red birds? But if you wait, spring will bring leaves and blossoms. Oh, we have that to look forward to, don't we? If you wait, spring will make the leftover mounds of snow smaller and smaller and smaller until suddenly they're all gone. Before spring comes, the grass is brown. Look at that. But if you wait, the grass will turn green and you'll see flowers. We see purple ones and blue ones and white ones. If you wait, an egg will hatch into a little bird. See that? There's our egg. It's starting to crack, and out pops our little bird. A seed will start growing. There's the sprout. It's getting bigger, and look at that. We've got a flower. Spring comes with lots of sun, but it also comes with rain and more rain and even more rain and sometimes snow, like today. We've got snow on our daffodils today. Do you like mud? Who likes mud? Raise your hand. Who likes mud? I like mud. Do you like puddles? I like puddles too. I hope you like umbrellas. Look at all the brightly colored umbrellas. See that? Before spring comes, the garden is just dirt and empty. But if you wait, spring will push all the little green shoots through the dirt to fill up the garden. There's all the green shoots. See that? And spring will call out all of the pussy willows and the new kittens too. How many kittens do we have? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Spring can come quickly or it can come slowly. It changes its mind a lot. But when spring is finally here to stay, you will know it. Look, that's what we have today, don't we? Snow on our daffodils. When spring comes, there will be buds and bees and boots and bubbles. Look at all those bubbles. There will be worms and wings and wind and wheels. What kind of wheels do we see here? Do we see some wheels on our wheelbarrow? And look back here. We've got wheels on the bicycles, don't we? See that? You will feel it, you will smell it, and you will hear it. What are some ways that we can smell spring? Do you have any ideas? Maybe some flowers or some fresh cut green grass smells really good. And what are some ways we can hear spring? Maybe some birdies chirping in the sky, right? When spring is finally here to stay, you might think you are done waiting, but you are not, because what comes after spring? That's right. Now you have to wait for summer. There we go. The end. Hi friends, it's Miss Robin again. Can you help me count my baby birds? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good counting. Oop, let's put him down here. 5 little birds in a nest in a tree are just as hungry as they can be. Beep, said baby bird 1. Mother bird promised that she would come. Peep, peep, said baby bird 2. If she doesn't come, what will we do? Peep, 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 said baby bird 3. I sure hope she can find our tree. Peep, beep, 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 said baby bird 4. She has never been this late before. Beep, 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 said baby bird 5. When will our mother finally arrive? Well, here she comes. Mother bird to feed her family. There she is. Now they are all happy as can be. Very good counting. Thank you everyone for helping. Hi everyone, it's Miss Robin again, and I've got a nice springtime craft for you. I'm going to show you everything you need. It's very simple. We're going to start with a toilet paper roll, empty toilet paper roll. I'm sure everyone's got some of those laying around. Some tape. You'll need some scissors, and the little ones can have their grown-ups help with the scissors. And any colored paper you have. We are going to be making these little springtime flowers, so any color flower that you want to make will be just perfect. Mine is pink, but anything you'd like to do. So first, we have our piece of green paper. We are going to roll around our tube. You can cut it to fit. I find that tape works best just because it holds quickly as opposed to glue, which takes some time to adhere. So we're going to wrap around our tube just so. Get our tape. Get a little piece of tape. Tape that closed. And you could use 2 pieces, I suppose, just so it's all flat all around. Great, so we've got our flower stem, simple as that. Next, we are going to cut out some leaves with the same green paper, or if you have a darker paper, I don't have a darker color, so I'm just gonna use the same color. And you might wanna have your grown-up help you, or grown-ups, if you wanna trace out a leaf first and have your little ones cut it out, that works too. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball and make like a long, ovally shaped leaf. And I'll make 2. Perfect. Simple as that. So we've got our 2 leaves. And again, we can use our tape. And we'll just tape our leaves right on here on our stem. There's 1. And 2. So there we go, we've got our leaves. And for the flower, I'm going to use pink. And if you have anything round like this, it just makes it easier to trace. So I'm going to place that down. Let's move that aside. Get my pen or a pencil. And we are going to just trace a nice easy circle. And again, parents, if you want to trace it out and have your little ones cut it, that works too. So I'm just going to cut this out, just like so. And one way that you can easily create a nice ridgy flower like we have here, all I did was I folded it in half like this, and you just cut out just some ridges. I'm just doing little bumps like, and there we go. And then when you open it up, you've got a nice ridgy little flower. See that? So we are going to set that aside. Notice our flower here has a yellow center. Again, any color you have will work. And I'm just going to eyeball a circle here, just to make a little circle. Just like so. And for this, I'm actually going to use some glue, just because we won't have any issues with this sticking. And if you don't have glue, just use tape. So there's that, okay? And then we will glue or tape our flower onto our stem. Just like that. Voila! So now we've got 2 matching flowers for our little flower garden. Thank you for joining me. Five baby birds in a nest in a tree are just as hungry as they can be. Beep, says baby bird 1. Mother bird promised she would come. Beep, beep, said baby bird 2. If she doesn't come, what will we do? Benji.